Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. My channel is Seng official. Today I want to show you how to create YouTube channel by phone. Before, if we don't have computer, we cannot make a channel. But now I want to show you it easy to do it. You just have your phone and then you go to App Store, or for Android Play Store you can search Chrome. You download Chrome browser. You just writing Chrome, and then if you not download, you click download, and I'm download ready. I'm just open. Yes, when we saw the interface like that, you just click YouTube. Oh, sorry, I forget to tell you the first step before you can create the YouTube channel. First step, you need to go to make a Gmail. Maybe you sign up a Gmail, and then you can take your Gmail. If you not sign up for Gmail, you just click gmail.com YouTube channel, and then you will see this logo like that. You click create a channel and sign up, and you can write down your first name, last name, Gmail address, and password, and next you can write down your birth of that. Yes, thank you. Yes, enjoy my video how to create YouTube channel by smartphone more and more. Thank you. Don't forget subscribe for me. And I'm not so the how to create the Gmail, because I have so in my channel already. You can find it in my channel. I will put the link in the description of this channel. You can find it if you not yet watch the how to create Gmail. I will show you step by step. But this step is the second step that we make a YouTube channel. Then you just click YouTube. You will see like this. You click point, 3 point this like this, and then you scroll, find the word request this top side. You just click the request this top side. Wait a moment. Yes, will show like that. You click sign in. Did you see? Sign in. You click sign in. Yes, and then you click use another account. Yes, if you see like this, you pass the Gmail that you sign up already. If you not yet, you can go back to look. I will put the link in the description video. Yes, you just type your Gmail and password, and you ready. You pass next. The first you writing your email first, and then you pass next, and after you put the password and you pass next too. Yes, wait me a moment. I type my email first. Yes, when I pass, I writing down my email ready, and then I pass next. We will give me to writing your password, my password. Yes, I'm writing ready, and pass next. You pass next. Wait a moment, that we use confirm. Wait, we click back like that. Yes, you click back. We will run to YouTube. You will see. Wait. Yes, you will see the logo J. I'm not set up the profile. I'm not yet set up the profile. If you want to set up, because it's not a channel, you just click it. We saw the create channel. You just click create the channel. Yes, in like this, you can choose get start. Yes, or you say no Seng. But I want you to choose the get start. Yes, if we have two like this, to try like this. You need, if you want to choose your channel the same name, you can choose this, select this one. But if you want select another name, you can choose select use a custom name. I recommend you use a select a custom name. Yes, you just select, and then you write down your channel name if you want. I want to write down Jing cooking. Oh no, Jing teaching. I want to use this channel name like this, and you write down it there. You click understand. I understand like this. We will show the button create. You click on button create. Yes, it will show to verify the number like that. You just click to verify your number. If sometimes if you never make a channel, they never ask like this. Yes, wait a moment, I type my number. Yes, when you put your phone number and verify it there, you will see like this is a name Jing teaching. Yes, now is your channel is you can create your channel ready. And when you create your channel ready, you need to upload your profile, and you need to write down about the discussion more, and how to if you want to upload, you just click on your profile J. You just click, they will run. Wait a moment. Yes, you will see like this. You just find another place. You see close. Yes, branding, upload profile, upload cover, and upload video watermark. Yes, for this step I will show you my second part more after this video. Yes, the first video I want to show you like that. You can try step by step, one by one. If you're not clear, you can drop down your email or comment in my first part in this video. Thank you so much. See you again in the next part. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you one more information. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.